Prepare the cable, the tools and the material. Stick the acetic acid tape around 30 centimeters. Smooth the outer woven layer inward from the top. After forming a protrusion at the tape, stick another tape. Use diagonal pliers to cut off the weaving layer. Unfold the internal wrapping film and find the blue fiber optic cable. Reserve 7 cm fiber optic cable, cut blue optic fiber, and wrap the wrapping film back into the cable. Smooth the outer woven layer inward from the top. Use the high-carbon steel 3-jaw wire stripper to peel off the fiber optic protective tube. Wipe with alcohol swab. Peel off the surface coating of the optical fiber. Inject UV glue into FC fiber ceramic plug. Insert the fiber optic cable into the ceramic plug core, using a UV curing lamp to irradiate the ceramic plug. Second irradiation to achieve better curing effect. Cut off excess fiber optic cables. Grinding the end face of ceramic plug core by using fiber optic polisher. The order of use for grinding discs is green, blue, and purple. After grinding, wipe the end face with an alcohol swab. Grind green. Wipe the end face with an alcohol swab. Grind again blue, wipe the end face again. Grind again purple, wipe again. After wiping, use our light pen to test the lighting effect. The light spot is round and bright, which means it meets the requirements. Smooth the weaving layer. if the root of the ceramic plug is loose. UV glue can be injected using a curing lamp to irradiate the ceramic plug. Connect jumpers and fiber optic splitter. On the other end, use a red light pen to pass light through. Using tweezers, insert the ceramic plug into the coupler. Confirm if the lighting effect is normal. Apply UV glue all over the bottom of the splitter. Apply UV glue all over the cable. And the glue covers the cable. Using UV curing lamp to cure the glue around 40 seconds. Confirm again if the lighting effect is normal. After the glue hardens, use screws to fix the cover plate.